Hi dear customers, this is our QOQ shining fill sealing machine for plastic zipper. The output is more than 300 meters per hour. Now we are going to show you the machine working situation. First, we adjust the temperature for the first pass with 100 degrees, and the second temperature is about the sealing temperature is 260 degrees. Now we are going to operate this machine. Okay, our technician operated the machine. You can see this is the plastic zipper, and the zipper is going to the machine from here. After first heating pipe, and then go inside. This is the shining sealing fill, and you can see the fill go inside and stick to the plastic zipper surface. And this is for taking the waste fill. Now let's see the result. Okay, you can see it's very nice food sealing, and we can see two sides different. This side is without any shining fill, and this side with shining fill already. And you can see the splitter is very quickly and very steadily working. So if you are interested to make a plastic zipper with shining fill sealing, you are welcome to contact us to get more details about this machine. Thank you for your interest in.